My name's Laura Kim.
And I am Fernando Garcia.
We are co-creative director for Monse.
We started it as a way to reinvent your everyday closet staples, like the suit or the shirt or a cargo pant, so that it feels like updated classics.
I don't want this to be perfect. Let her be. I want mistakes natural. All right, let's get ready.
We met at Oscar office.
2009. Yeah, and it was our first jobs for both of us. I hadn't lived in New York before, and I was very excited. And then, we worked our way up from there. There came a point when we were working under Oscar where we felt we needed to scratch the itch of discovering as an artist, as a business person, what else we could find out about ourselves outside of a company that had a DNA that was already established. It was really Laura's idea. I felt a little bit more scared than she did. And
he didn't want to leave Oscar to start Monse.
I was way too young, but she had the conviction and we figured it out.
Ambush her video and pretend like the camera is yours and be like in front of her, like that. I think that this is a good synopsis of the Monse woman. I think it's going to be really interesting to see what the Shein customers think about her.
Working women who is confident enough to wear something a little bit more experimental, because our clothes are based on classics with deconstruction and a little bit of a twist. So she must be very confident to wear something that's a little different. Shein X approached us because there was a like of our work. So it was very easy for us to work with the team, because if Shein didn't like what we did, then it would have been very difficult.
You guys understood what the brand was about, which made us feel very heard as creatives.
The reason why I was really attracted to doing this collab was I read that Shein has very high sell-throughs. Shein creates very small amount and see if it works and then produce more, so there's not much left over in an inventory. So I'm actually really excited to learn about that process.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Fernando from Monse and
Laura.
And you have been officially selected to work in the Shein X Monse collab.
Yay!
Oh wow, thank you.
Thank you so much for selecting me. I'm so excited.
We worked with 5 Shein X designers. We actually interviewed 30 and we had a video conference and we shared ideas and it was back and forth.
Laura's mentorship and Fernando's mentorship and their feedback really gave me a boost of confidence.
They give me advice on some things to change and details to improve the design. It was really, really interesting.
How many independent designers can say, hey, I've worked with the creative directors of Oscar de la Renta? That changes everything.
I think what's exciting is that we can bridge the gap between what we offer in New York City to such a wide range of customer base that Shein has. That's an incredible new step in our business, and we are very excited to see what happens.
We cannot wait to see what you guys do with it. It's going to be as much of an exciting experience for us as it will be for you. This is Shein X Monse.